Hi everyone, today I am going to be installing and showing you and reviewing the Halitaa 3-tier ladder shelf that the company sent for me to test and review, and I'm super excited. Let's get into it. Alright, here's all the pieces that it came with in the box. It's all laid out, all the hardware, and it came with tools that you need to put it together, and yeah, everything is lettered. It matches up with the instructions. Alright, let's put it together. So for installation, it was not bad at all. When I first opened the box, I was a little overwhelmed, and the thought of just assembling furniture can be daunting, but Halitaa made it really easy and painless as possible. It came with detailed instructions. Everything was labeled with letters, and it was clear and straightforward. The assembly probably took about maybe an hour and a half, but it came with everything you need and it was hassle-free. It really only takes one person to put it together. I was there, but I was basically just there for moral support because I wasn't needed. Super stable thanks to the metal frame and the double screw layers because it enhances the overall stability of the bookshelf.
Then it has the brackets with the 90-degree angles with the holes, which you can mount that to your wall, which pretty much it has to mount against the wall. It's not going to freestand by itself.
It's also super sturdy and stable because it's made with natural rattan and then MDF wood. It has metal legs and round handles, and you know that your stuff could be safely stored. Yes, this bookshelf looks great, but it's super functional. Each shelf can hold up to 25 pounds, so you could even put your books on it. I put a bunch of decor items. Bottom cabinet has an adjustable shelf, and I absolutely love the rattan doors and the gold handles. This bottom cabinet offers as a great storage solution for those items that you'd rather keep out of sight. But whether you're putting this in your living room and displaying all your favorite reads and collectibles, or using it in your office to organize your files and documents, this bookshelf is very versatile and can be used in any room.